So guys, this is how to fix FC mobile not working. So if your FC mobile is not working, then this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to go to your phone menu. So when you get here to your phone menu, you just have to scroll and search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, what you have to do is to tap on it. So let's scroll. So as you can see over here, this is the phone settings. So just tap on the phone settings like this, and what you have to do next is to just scroll and try to search for your app. So this is your app and notification. So when you find this app and notification, some other device, you're going to see app and preference. It's all the same. Just tap on it. Then after that, you're going to see it's loading, and after loading, you're going to see all apps over here. So tap on the see all apps. So when you tap on see all apps, it's going to load, and you're going to see all your app listed over here. So what you have to do when you get over here is to just scroll and try to search for your FC mobile game. So you just have to search for it. So over here, I'll be using this app to replace FC Mobile. So what you have to do is to just tap on it. So when you tap on it, let's say this is FC Mobile. So when you get to FC Mobile app info, what you have to do is to tap on force stop. Then after that, tap on OK. So after doing this, tap on this notification over here. Then after that, make sure this notification is turned on. Then after that, you have to go back and tap on permissions. Make sure you grant every permission on FC Mobile. Do you get me? You have to grant every permission. So after granting every permission, you just have to go back. Then you tap on storage and cache. So just tap on the storage and cache. Then after that, tap on this clear cache over here. So when you tap on the clear cache, then tap on the back section over here. Then after that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is turned on. Do you get me? Then after that, go back. And what you have to do lastly is to check Google Play Store for the more updates. You have to update your FC mobile app. So after updating it, what you have to do is to just tap on your power button. So just tap on the power button for some while, and this is going to pop up. When this pop up, tap on restart, then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to get fixed. See you in my next video.